Hi there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how you can run ad on Instagram for beginners. So for this, open your Instagram app, click on your profile and make sure that you have some posts here. So now open any post that you want to boost. So here, if you click on boost post, here it may take few seconds. Okay, so now the first goal is where you want people to visit, whether it's your profile, it's your website, or in your DM. So let's go with visit your profile, click on next, and from here you can choose audience. You can go with suggested audience, or you can go with target audience, or you can create your own by selecting gender. So click on next. From here you can set the daily budget. So I will set a daily budget of $1. Okay, so the estimate daily reach will be 73 to 190. So click on next. Now here you need to add your payment method and then click on boost post. So in this way you can run ads on Instagram. This is it for today's video. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.